Welcome back to Shani's Lifestyle. You understand? I'm not promoting a robbery or nothing. Yeah, I just see if you put on schemas. So, I want to watch the movie until the very end. Tell we if we need a part 2. Dirty life get exposed. You understand? In the end, you go understand everything. You know what I mean? The movie have been proposed, so you know I get it now. You see it? So, you watch it till the very end. Make sure so you do it right. So, one more I want to tell you is Shani is going to Panama and she needs some sponsor with some stuff. So you can contact the number on the screen so you can know what she needs sponsor with. So if you have anything you can sponsor to go to Panama, call the number on the screen. Like, you see me? And remember to like, share and subscribe and big up on yourself. Remember? Like, share and subscribe. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Wait, before we go in a movie, I don't want to say why me ask with Shanice is she asked me to ask You understand? Because she kind of shy to the camera or whatever. It kind of weird still to shy and she act movie. But she tell me to ask now. She need help, not me. Help me over my channel. Big up on yourself.
This means I go work after the next meeting I go work none at all. What happen? Girl, I know some of boss kinda nice. Cause sometimes he will just give me some weeks off to work hard. Which one that was? You know that me have to be place where I work, you can't tell me? And I know for Knoxford.
Knoxford? Which part of work you doing in Knoxford? Which part of work you doing there?
Like me check the package them.
Check the package them. What type of package them you check?
Right when the people that ship the package come to me. Yes, I check them and when they come to pick it up I write them up and give them my package and cut them
and so you know you tell your sister. Upon the boss you have to go do that.
No.
Oh,
remember I say I'm in Knoxford office.
So me can come up with one idea then come check you.
Oh yeah, I when me start work back. Huh? Oh. Yeah, me can come at work. Yeah. Make sure I say package right.
Tell the Knoxford people and say
yeah. Just make sure I make the package right this time, you know. Don't bother mash up the package. Alright.
Me not see Knoxford on the phone.
Girl, I'm a boss and I say boss. Sometimes I too relax. So what
so
one with you?
Come up there and check. Me want to come up there because it's boring.
You know what? The best thing we do, I come up on the road.
Alright.
Me like how my phone come here, make you burn up. Come on.
Wow. What a nice, beautiful picture. Where you come from, Mama? At first, I see you live about the area. Oh, wow. Your sister?
Yeah, my sister.
Can I see it, man, in the favor, man? But, like, when you look at thing and you work?
Yeah.
Which part?
Knoxford.
Wow. Nice job. Your sister work?
No. She don't work.
I like it, you know. I don't say, I like it, I don't know how to switch number or exchange number.
Yeah, but I know so some of the time I kind of very busy.
You know, so sometimes you don't really busy for car. Through me busy too, you don't really matter me. So, because we're busy, so you can just bring your number and come on. Just
Alright.
WhatsApp you and we'll take you Friday. So.
Really.
Alright.
How are you?
My name is Tiana.
Alright, nice to meet you, Tiana.
Nice to meet you.
But I really attached to you, know.
You know, say, alright. So me text me here.
Alright.
You're just too bad, man.
But I know him.
Girl, me know him a long time. He not look me around the place I live. But I true me at work. So me really want to hold up no man right now. Come on now, come up. You're too bad, man. And listen
to me.
Girl, you know people. You go get what you don't fit with. You look at head giant now. I go look work.
Toga. That's good, bro. You know what's good, bro?
Boy, I always have a special.
That's what I think, say, bro. What's the meet one girl about the area named Riri? You don't know her?
Riri. You don't know Riri.
Black and slim and kind of tall, you know?
Oh, where the look at?
Yeah, me get her number. She kind of look easy. So she give me number fast.
An easy girl and me brother, but
So I'm not see it, bro.
I'm kind of cunning in a one way.
Answer your phone, bro.
You know, say this. You're good.
You don't make no sense. But
And a money card.
true, alright, call that your fiance. But bro, you gotta look easy, you know, bro. Too fast.
Easy, bro. Me I tell her, me and her used to go high school. But me I tell her based on how me used to see, she jump on a nigga here, jump on a nigga there. And so she move. But she kind of cunning in a one way. So if you talk to her, your wallet and your money, don't carry around it. The phone, don't you rob your phone and help you look fit. And so then, so she see.
Oh, I'm glad me stop your say, you know.
You see me?
I'm glad. She look like she can people for real, no. She look like that type of people.
Nah, I'm not grown and tell them all that. You see me? But all things different now with it.
Boy, I just say I pass through. Go on,
pass
take it
through.
easy, you know. Drink one special, one bar in
You
your
know,
cup.
if you cut out them rum a bit, I do. But ever since me know you drink rum. And you nah put on no weight.
Bro, just cool
I
now,
rum a
man.
cause it, you know.
Cool now, bro, man.
I nah
Drink, bro.
even name food. Every day you want rum. Cool down a little bit, man.
Most
Get a bike and run some bike taxi like me. You never broke.
of true.
Get a bike, you never broke.
True that, bro. Me I can't drink rum for real, you know. But true rum, bro.
Why not rum?
See, I heard, bro. Me willing, bro. Cause,
Why you jail fee though?
yeah, bro.
Yeah, go on, you have what?
Don't worry about that one, bro.
They
Really.
never do nothing for me yet, none of them. Me not vote.
That's how you go, bro. Look at
Alright.
Oh, with a girl.
Hello. Hi. Not your business. Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi.
No, she underage. She underage. Yeah. She very a little girl. You know why nobody got prison right
Sorry,
now.
I'm not dealing with them. So, what about you?
Me active, me ready for the market. Me
You?
single, yeah.
Eh.
Mm-hmm.
So, how old are you? How old are you?
Me at 23.
And how old is your sister?
She at 15.
I'm 16.
Little girl, me go tell mommy.
No,
Me gonna tell mommy too.
Go, pop me nice and go and tell her so.
Thanks for putting on the job.
Yeah.
I'm not even looking at it. No, bigger than this.
I saw she had enough for herself from what day.
Oh. I told man, you have to follow, you have to love man, look at her. I told man, no, bad thing you might tell her. I know bad thing you might tell her. You know, miss, what is your name?
Me name Riri.
Riri.
Bad girl, really.
Bad jam. Sorry.
You can't get a number and get to know you.
Yes.
Alright, so
Yeah.
I'm shut out.
Turn up here, so what wrong with you? You know, so I'm gonna stop here up on the road. So just text me then.
Alright, me do that.
Alright, take care. Around here you live?
No, I'm in here, man.
Alright then.
Yeah,
Go on down in the yard, man.
No reach like it. No reach like it, General.
Where are you with?
Where the fun?
Yeah. I smoke it in a picking idea.
I sell myself to Anki.
Oh, I'm not buy a key, I'm package in my yard.
Say God.
So what are you with? What's your son?
What the money no I know? So in jet.
Well, I want money, dog.
Yeah, I want to vote and then I do nothing for you.
Well, I want money. So that's all I want to stress you.
Yeah. So I live with no woman.
I go chat, oh man, me just book on, man. Up the road. Come like on.
Oh, woman.
Yeah?
Woman not right, you know, and this.
What do you mean woman not working, bro?
Not right, me I tell you.
So what working?
Just a good cost, yeah.
You feel so? You don't feel so, bro? Because I want to tell you.
Unless you find a woman overseas.
Watch out now. This is a woman that see me in a day and take me outside.
Where you book? Where you
Hold
book?
on, no, man. I open the door looking. Sister and him show me place of your sister and that age. I intercept one because he's so nice. Me just have to look she. He tell me name and give me number. So right now, from me get the contact. I just sit that in me right now, so I don't feel like I don't get no stress.
Every woman has stress, yeah?
You know, I hope that one don't stress me out, you know.
What's your name?
Riri, she name.
Riri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
You know that before I come over my yard, one of my next virgin a long time just come to me and say, he get her number. I know you come and tell me say she get her number.
I like you tell, brother.
That girl lady bad in a school.
I like you tell, brother. What you know want me get you, brother?
So you a taxi and wanna flip dog a taxi. How it wanna go all night one hole?
I'm gonna be a different really, brother. How make your time, sir, brother? You don't want to see my girl. You think you want to sit down and that
she
she like, how often you said really? You know him?
You know her, brother.
You know him, sir?
You don't have to know about that, but I know her. Just believe in me. I tell her my dog just come to me and say get her number too.
For real, for real. Right, tell her.
Alright, yeah, don't listen.
No, watch out now.
Listen.
Tell you what. Let's see if I
listen
saw you go. Me will find out if I saw you go, but me
Yeah,
not think
find
so.
out that you win.
You got yourself.
You know, like take telling.
Watch out now.
Say you stay for
Differently too. You see, after them where they are plan to sell. If you sell them for 60.
You know, see, me, man,
Calm now, bro. If you sell them for 60, you can link me. You sell us some money for 30.
Hook up in night tree. Night tree,
Yo, man,
load
winning
it.
still.
You need to buy Aki from here.
Sorry you there now, bro.
Yeah, man, it's good.
For a long time you not seen her, bro.
Take off the band, they have ban, but then they not help you. That weird and sitting there, you would.
Bro, me I tell us if you take off your chain. Don't tell
No,
me
me
about
no
my
reason why me have on my chain.
So me no know reason why me
What
have on
kind
my
of
band. And Joelness I do good for me, you know.
For you,
No, for you.
only good in my do for me is carry up the US rate. That's all me worry about.
Bro.
Me don't worry about nothing else.
So
Right?
the train I do not feel good.
Yeah, you don't worry about that.
So you know worry about
And me
my
alone
band.
need to know about that. You don't worry about my chain. The LP I do nothing good there, they never fix the road they live in.
Then soon fix it, bro.
Soon now come and then say every day. Soon. I see him thing he say about the first 90 days. Remember 2016 when he said the first 90 days I'm gonna fix some subscribe.
Bro,
You know fix all no. You see
things all
none
time
of them no
change.
better than none.
Bro.
I hear man ask him one day why he never do that. But this and that we have to do other stuff. You can't no vote for none of them. Two of them are the same thing then. PMP want win now to come rob back money. JLP want win to continue rob money. This say no make no sense. It no make no sense to continue a weird and it no make no sense.
Bro, the road them take time to fix, bro. And every road I'm gonna fix one time, bro. If you understand.
Understand? And then everyone at
I told me they kind of busy. I'm going to get caught up in a hole if I something this morning.
They are fretting up.
But I don't have a fret again. See that cherry there? Quickly give me. See there.
Which one be? That one?
Yeah. No, see right on the limb, right? I said you did that look.
Oh. Me I look far down with you.
Yeah. So you're alright though?
So me no must alright for me see a bit.
Oh.
Me have to alright, you know.
How would you say ya?
Oh, I'm looking friend, man.
Oh, are you friend?
One like, you know,
Anyway, Dream, like how you and your friend at top, I don't really want to tap for too long, so come on sis, me I got
Now I see you come on.
Yeah, just call me. I saw him turn man from school days. I saw him love watch people business and chat. I pay him no mind. You know? Yeah, from school days, me used to go to school. And people business in there. Go watch him girl, come on, we go shop.
you see them girl, bro. Better just slow them girl. That.
Bro, you know, say me woman come here so like I don't like how you look for me woman, you know.
Me no reason why me I look for her.
So why reason
Me
why?
not tell you, cause me, you see, best me hold my mouth.
Bro, you don't say that
Because
me
me
do.
don't tell you a thing already. I know me can't believe you still in the same situation. Me lock my mouth now.
Bro, you corrupt against me, girl, bro.
Anything reach, you reach. You
Bad man, you're corruption, but you want to see my woman left me and me left my woman and then me stay single, bro.
Nah, corrupt you. Me
Yo,
don't
I
tell you
fool
one
me shot
facts
chat, bro.
already.
Me gone, bro.
You know, I hear no. Who can hear must feel.
Yo, bro.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, bro, everything good.
Why me there some work me I do here, you know, some Sunday cleaning, the wipe off the window them.
So, mom's there.
Mom's gone look for one of the family them, you know. Kind of sick out, you know. So me alone there do some cleaning.
You know what I'm saying? You need to new girl out here. You know, really. You ever heard that far?
No, sorry first, baby, about every day your father be here, come hitch up, and tell you say you need one woman and say you finally find one.
Alright, fine, bro. But you know, me have a virgin, bro. But tell me, say no one good girl can show the man I used to go to sex school and tell me, say badass.
Watch on man. I'll show you a little pretty. If it's for my time, when I'm virgin, them and tell us something about a girl. And not every time if you believe, you know. So my time you can't believe. But if him and the girl know they wanted a long time, but you listen to virgin and say still.
Nah, listen to bro, cause sometimes them friend and nowadays just want a girl to fuck, bro, make them a corrupt your mind against. Bro, me nah listen to it, to it.
Well, you have a point, you know. But when me have to say again, if it's for my time, them a girl nowadays, majority of them not loyal. So you have 90% of them not loyal and the other 10% of them loyal. But I just you have to find the 10% loyal.
Sure,
because we are finding whole 90% of them not loyal. So when me that tell you for the know, you have to just watch her and observe her. Because me don't know her, you know, me never see her, so I can't tell her if she good or she bad. So you have to just watch her and see if she good, you work with her. If she bad,
alright. Love where you talk.
so that's that you have to do.
I'll make her.
But don't make no woman take you for eat that, you know. You see me? Because your boy look like you know, like spend your money still, you know, you come like you done your money for a woman.
Oh, you know, so yo.
Before you done your money for a woman and then you want before you done you go drink some rum and easy with self. Like me I tell?
True, man. You're about a bad work.
But yo, like how you get a new man in your life, do you hear? You know, certain up fear, yeah?
Alright, bro.
I'm there to do work. What's going on?
Yeah. Yeah, bye.
Can't believe they are to do.
So what's wrong with doing business? Either you're buying or you're not buying. I work, me I work. I have to look money, I hustle.
They don't know they are to do.
No, it's not about that chat. Say I buy? Alright. How about that chat nothing, you know?
Come see.
Alright.
Okay.
10 grand.
Where you come from the time?
Work.
Work, look
No,
so.
not work. Me did go collect something. Me did a hurry. Some just hurry up put on them here. Hang me up.
Baby,
Oh,
how you smell so?
smell how? Because me did tap a gym too. We did a workout and we want some body. I don't want the body get big.
Jim, I smell so.
Oh, I sweat.
Sweat not smell so big.
Oh.
That smell like sex.
Huh?
Where you come from?
You tell us that me go gym and me collect something.
Are you not sweat?
This
a center smell like a sex.
Yeah. You know, say when me did up at the gym, me did feel all look weird. So me just start touch myself.
Oh, son of that if you say how long be where they hide the truth for. So come on, we'll go over now.
Come on.
Finish it.
Yes. Come on. Get the man.
Do you want?
No.
Do you want a bush?
Yeah.
What is time me in a bed?
Someone are tired. After there's something where you go on with me, I must tired.
Easy but now be other side, we'll prepare a nice, comfortable one meal. Breakfast.
Yeah, what breakfast?
What do you mean? A long bed seat on this one?
Coffee now. Wait there. By the way, at what time?
I don't know. I'm not my phone for me.
Cause we have to go work.
So my time now, I'm not trying to say work.
Yeah, but I see like not for the people I met with they are different station.
Oh.
So this moment we don't let the person so we switch up sometime.
Oh.
Understand? Yeah.
So you don't want to breakfast?
Me have to go work right now. Later. Me
Alright.
call you. Yeah.
I see it with God, let's have me a reminisce.
I will reminisce.
That woman, yeah, we don't let me can't believe say good you have it.
Yeah.
You can't say some more when I have it. Yeah, money, let's have one look at you.
Come on. You have to come with the right money. Can't. What money you have?
No, and she.
3 grand?
Yeah.
And you said this and you want to give me 3 grand? No? 3 grand now go work.
Remember that. Take 3 grand.
No, 3 grand now go work.
6,000 again last time.
And I did tell you, forgive me, see a shiny, I want a shiny.
So me go, me soon reimburse me.
Eh?
Me soon reimburse.
No.
Man can't believe. I say I'm moving.
Yes, money.
Oh, you want me go talk to yourself front? They better me go talk to yourself front then. Cause you don't want to sell me. And me I give you money. And I like to me come and say, I'm free, we are taking it.
No money. So yeah, though.
If it,
You black me and me now.
if you take it, money me go through.
Alright, come, I will find I want you.
You gotta take it 3 grand.
Yeah.
Come over.
What do you mean, wash up myself?
Watch up, man. I cannot be a time yesterday.
Me beard, I just put on my steel clothes.
Oh, go on. Yeah, there, sir.
Eh?
Yeah, there, sir.
Oh, I use the Wi-Fi. I want to know why people have yard.
Oh,
I want plug where you go fix.
I'm plugging in a bed.
Yeah?
no. She go be it, no, but over there, so we had the.
No, me everything when I come through this a while ago.
No movie.
I know something like people them over there. I can't
movie
them over
we
there.
talk about.
Which movie?
But
Yeah, what's your wife off your mouth? Did they eat?
Yeah, we
No,
like
man,
it
she good,
one
man.
snackables.
So it is.
Go on, man.
Snackables, yes.
Talk for some man. Your wife off your mouth like I comb your wife off.
The what?
You what?
The comb.
What name, sir?
Huh? The seaman, the seaman.
It's not a business.
Yeah.
The seaman.
Eh?
People they want to hear I can't even explain myself, but the seaman. You know what is the seaman? That produce child. Yes, that same something. So we'll know.
She a virgin, say she not reach them.
You can't find this girl and say I'm a virgin. You know where you walk?
Don't look on the way.
You know where you walk?
Where?
We see where you walk, you know. But we not really business, but in business.
You feel love people business alone.
And
I
she
will
like-
kill on Jamaican man
This
who
one
not
here.
left people
We don't
business.
say bye bye front a while ago. No worry now.
Oh,
Me gone.
Okay,
Me
fine.
check you later, yeah.
yeah, man.
You know, you can't find a good woman.
I did
We
good.
don't see none of them.
You spend your money at the chicken and enjoy yourself.
You better you get your woman and find a woman can come here. Can go to doctor, go test him. Test him first. If he not no AIDS in the first rounds, you wait 3 months before you have sex with him. Test him again after that. And if he's good,
Can't
then you
wait
can
till long.
start.
You can't wait till long. I just spend one little money now and then. And I get over
You
one.
know what, man, go through that.
I'm going to go through it too. I don't know.
And it tight.
Same way, nothing not change. It
Oh.
just good. He come like his team every day. He does.
So I hear you want that though.
No, sir, no, man.
Of
Just
a-
a go on food.
Of a woman.
On bad dog them. But, TB.
TV.
I feel my friend, man, but me I tell him say a bad ass girl. Me I tell
You're
him say,
dirty!
What?
Your friend!
Me tell him
And
say,
you have
girl.
boyfriend for your friend woman. But that girl,
Oh, no, man.
me not support that general.
Anything that
Yeah, me your friend a while ago. But me not bad a friend. No. Me your friend, but me not bad a friend. Me
Tell
a
him
two.
say a bad girl.
No.
Me tell him make him know
Listen
say a
me.
bad girl.
Me your friend,
You can't deal with that them girl there.
I you there with it.
No, me
I'm
not
not
there
fact,
with
you're boyfriend.
it. Yeah, that's not my fault. She selling me.
Okay.
I don't mind. I mean, tell her to sell me it.
What a bombshell when you get a piece of hair under your dirty skin.
No, me rose rubber.
You know
You
what?
put on 2 of them.
Let me teach you something. Stop follow people about the two rubber
You
business.
put on 2 of them.
It's risky for the woman then, because when you put on 2 piece bust off in them.
Where?
2 rubber and rubber rub together, it's gonna bust.
Mine no boss.
Well, something alright then. Our hole is too big. Later.
You see you? You go on.
Oh God.
So you smell so?
How?
You smell so?
How me smell?
Raw.
You have fish in here? You have a fish for me? Me never know say seaside me did go. Go scale fish.
You scale for your fish, you smell raw. Body.
You go girl. You know say always gonna come and disrespect the eye. You gonna come and disrespect me. What me by me smell raw? What me did there for smell raw?
No, baby. Then come back.
Who forgot be and come back?
Sister, I choke me that and you smell raw.
Smell me again.
Go on now.
I want never want me get Jesus Christ. Let me tell you there. Oh God.
Wonderful when I do what?
Girl.
Then scale fish and Oxford?
Eh?
Then scale fish and Oxford?
No, because the boss did buy some fish. So even did a beg with scary for him. So I may be it.
Alright, take that one a bit. You're raw. You're raw the fish go to in the scale all the time.
B, come here.
Yeah. They are just what I mean.
Oh, me carry something for you.
Voilà. So where you get so much money from me?
Me get paid.
On a Tuesday, like this.
No, you don't know, say, I saw my boss. See, this is regular time, me get paid on a Saturday. But sometimes when you get the money early, in pay with early.
Okay.
So come on, me make a shop now.
Alright.
I'm so tired.
I pray. They are not about where are you doing? They are, man. Long time I not see you. Come on there. I will go. May I come there, babe? How you know her from? Where you know her from? I'm a woman. I'm a cousin.
Yeah, cuz. What?
So, as so long you take to recognize your cousin?
No, remember say, remember some two in her ear and I don't know it. Oh, wait, when I come down here?
Me and what day me come down here, man.
Oh.
So you say I hear a woman this one?
Yeah, bro.
Oh. When you go do it, I'm gonna take
Yeah.
a business show and thing.
Yeah,
I'll
we
come there, babe. Bro. Wait. And you me I look for? Friend, remember say friend we do a little thing and pop off and something. I baby me I come to see.
The baby? The baby in my belly. Cause I am that.
What mean me baby?
You see no stretch mark for me? Look for me, good. You see no stretch mark?
Oh, so they
I
find out.
name it, I full my belly.
So they find out a secret up there and come down and so.
Who's secret? Yes.
May I expose you now?
You can't expose me. You cannot expose me. Because remember say me and your cousin. Remember that. Clock that. You say me and your cousin.
Oh, you say that, man.
Yeah. So you try to put
Alright.
man shut
You
up.
into them, man. You into them. Yeah.
Yeah?
So you ready?
Yeah, come on now.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, bro.
I know too much.
Me not idea.
So you're doing an dance. What do you see up on one bike? I mean, say, stop the bike. Yeah, see ya. I not before.
No?
God, man, I'm want to see you from when some you have something for you.
You have
You
no.
have something for you,
You
man.
can't raise some money.
You want phone for you. See there.
Wow.
You want phone, but
It's
two
a
of
nice
them you buy
woman.
one time. See there. Two of them you buy one
Me not like
time.
the other one I'm like. One I want them.
Yeah, you see when you get that, you have to live on my yard. Yeah, 200,000 in that. So, yeah, me have you all night. Yeah,
Alright.
but no, I want a little piece.
You want a little piece of
Yeah,
no?
no, wrong. That's one little piece.
Alright.
Yeah. But see this, so we try to
Me not work at all.
Not working now. Not working now. What?
Yeah, it sound like a condom there. It sound like a bus. It sound like a bus off for you, me.
You want me to let me pick them a white bush?
No what?
You have to carry me picking them.
Oh, and me and that.
Oh, go on.
Oh.
Go on.
See, you do that, so I left you by the bush.
Yeah, dude.
How you know her from?
Jesus
Where you know
Christ,
from?
everywhere me go.
No, a long time schoolmate.
I'm a cousin.
Him?
Yeah.
And I'm a cousin. Where you know her from?
Definitely a cousin. You know, favor not one bit.
No,
You know,
she
like
never
you know
pick me.
blood match. Eh?
She never me pick me and I'm a cousin.
She name your pitney.
Yes.
This a boy, me never tell you I'm ready for no picnic.
She
Yeah.
name your pitney.
Because she never me pick me.
Me never tell you
That means
I'm
we could have let me pitney more white bush.
Me didn't tell you I'm picnic over the bush. You know.
Hey. You see this? Anyhow it come together. You now gonna name my pitney.
Oh.
No, oh,
Huh?
listen to me.
Listen, me done name that already. I done a pharmacy me I go. You know, where the pan where I walk. Let me tell you, say, me tell you, Dr. Mook and me man with shot in your mouth.
Me no busy boy, yeah, your man.
Me never tell you, say, me want no pin. You see me at work and you want to breed me. Eh?
Our phone.
I can ask you a question. Yeah, how much?
You know work. You
From
know
what you
work
have
my
me
problem
ask,
right now.
Yeah, how much?
Big woman.
No, me no want hear that age there.
Yeah, how much?
That more I know. Yeah, how much?
He said she are 18.
18. When you are the tree, you are tree what?
Yeah.
What you talk about?
Me no wrong you. Touch it. Which one of them going there?
None of them are going there.
Oh.
No,
None of me not going anywhere around at that part.
She never
But
been
what
in
me
a-
I say is, listen to me. My kids, any when
Who
them farm
go that's
out
about
in a-
18 pitney now?
She know my picnic.
Me I do my work, right?
she
And they
young
want
kid,
breed me
in-
for palm me. That's me can make my little money. It now work for me.
You're
It
18, right?
now work.
You're 18, right?
Yeah.
You should have in a college right now, a further degree, or you could have there a supermarket, or no, not say supermarket, because supermarket are anti-mouth business, but still full of gap, right? You should have in a college or one heart or study something. Then you there as a dispute who for pick your yam. If you say you are yam pick at a younger age, when you're 40, how much you are going yam? Eh? $1 million?
Yeah. If you don't reach million yet.
And
this?
she smells.
Wait, I'm a client. This a call me.
You know, be
Yo! Yeah, man, me so check in, man. Upon the work, me I come now. Alright.
Bro, wow. Check in, mama. Check in. Check in.
I want him.
Oh, yes.
What?
You're not something.
That man is not easy, you know. You know what I'm saying?
No
Not
man,
easy.
friend, she never pick me have her up and yeah, tell me say I sausage smell.
Never pick me.
Hey!
Yes.
Who the can
No,
there
why
What's
sign
up,
it?
now?
On the night, this will away. So me I tell her to be it. When she work.
Girl! You want J's? You want, when there? You want the biggest lime for the lime tree if you don't squeeze up in your front and rub it up.
Oi! I sell for my smell, yeah?
You ever put cabbage in and water and if you want 1 month and go back there.
Smell it.
Smell it.
Who for smell it? You put the air in the smell.
I'm down there.
Down there.
I want. You know, say not learn. And you not learn. See, I'm here picking it. And you must have got it for you know.
No,
Yeah, me and my
she
chap
can't
want
never
me for a
mind.
bush.
She can't bust off in her over this. So. She want me left my kids them on the ground. Bust off in her
A man
over this. So.
a man like a uno spread disease.
Oh, you see disease for me?
No, me
You
just.
see disease, man, in my family.
good as
You
a-
see disease for me?
You could have a good woman in your yard.
Me say if you see disease for me,
Me not
you
see
run
for you,
the
me see
right.
it in you. But as me say, you
Wait.
Oh, you
How
see
you see
disease
disease in
in
him? How you see
oh,
disease?
move now because you can't have your good woman in your yard and come by front and a bust off in a
No,
one.
no, listen me. Come up on my yard and tell me if you see woman out there. Come
And
up
then
on my
your man
yard.
give the woman infection.
Come up on my yard and see if
No,
you see woman
I
up on my
don't
yard.
go to my
Me not
yard.
have no woman up on my yard.
I don't go
That's
my
why
yard.
me have to buy it anytime I can.
I don't go woman yard. You know. Let's talk about woman yard. I don't go man yard. Don't tell me to go up by your yard to go check.
So, you can't come up my yard, come check me.
No, check who.
Just a
Go check.
bread.
Go
Yeah.
check your look who. Remember me tell you, I'm not a friend here, no, cause you take your friend woman. The same girl there. You go back there again. I say front sweet. That's you go back there.
Tell us, say, it could only thing smell bad.
And you still go there. For sure you say something
No,
wrong
I
with me.
can't watch it smell.
Let me
Me
teach you something. You see me I go one girl, go sleep with that girl, me make sure my finger it first and me put my hand past his nose. You see, if me see him come so,
Then it me do me I tell you.
hey, what the what wrong's here? Don't elbow up that day. Hey,
Yeah, tell me for this.
Me
Me
don't
tell you
chat here,
say
man.
it me do.
Move.
Yeah, make it look like say me not
move,
do the right thing.
move. You're bright.
Me not tell you this.
Wait. Look, here. Look, here.
No, come man. No. You hide me.
No, sir. You know what I mean?
Come man, you better hide that. How you tight so holy?
Come on. Stop watch that.
Holy tight. Yes, I am holy tight so you know.
No.
You good?
Yeah, me alright. What?
Say, brown when you look for you to get a bro. No, me can't see.
Oh.
Like you hide me up, man.
Me not hide
You
that.
wanna get phone?
No.
The phone over me yard, girl.
Me nobody want the phone.
You don't want it?
I
So,
don't.
yeah. Let's look a bit, no, man.
I don't know what me I go, man.
Come now, man. Come here. I like the one me talk about your business. Because you don't know, oh yeah, I don't know I from me.
To me, where you see I go on now?
Some man.
Yeah, where you see I go on now?
You see them sitting there, that's a man, they love you know. You know, we're Brazil, yeah. Although, you look correct, that's it.
Yeah. So what go on now?
More enter back in
Eh? No,
More
sir.
enter back in a palace.
No. Can't happen. Me I go later.
No, me ask you again. Me ask you a question again. More enter back down listen. More enter.
Yeah, what? You know, say me can't, but every minute you keep on using one something them over.
Because you not hear me I say. You hear me? Yo, turn by the next side. Yeah. The next ears. Me say, more enter more somewhere. No, you want me call you? Because you know, you hear me? You
Yeah, me hear now.
Oh.
So,
I know me
you
want.
have no money?
No, after look come home, me and carry phone come here. You know what the phone?
Yeah,
I
phone.
want like a 5 grand.
More the phone.
5 grand on the phone.
The
Big one.
phone expensive.
Okay.
Alright.
No food then. No.
We can't.
Oh wait. You go drag it out. Come.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So you look so, man. And
So
smell
how
so.
we are?
So you look so and smell so.
Work. I'm tired of sweat. Sweat up.
Sweat and smell so.
I sweat. I work. Me did I work.
No, sir. That don't smell like a sweat.
So we are trying to say no.
Which part you come from?
Me tell you say I work. I see just a long day of work and I'm just exhausted.
So I can come from in a baby.
Yeah, so what now?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, me alright.
Dada, you're alright. Make sure you don't give me no money. No. Make sure when I go to work, you go.
Me not get no money. I work my couple things. So how was the day? You eat?
Yeah, man, we need to cook some food. You get some food?
Yes, me buy something to eat.
Where you buy?
One food.
So you know, that means you're not hungry.
I'm not hungry. I'm just hot and tired.
Alright, so I go on to stay in the yard because I run up on the room. Maybe you sit down and come back.
Alright, I'm going to lie down and fall asleep.
Alright, get to us.
Yeah, I'm engineer, man.
Oh, God. God, you bro.
You good?
No, I'm good, man. You feel good?
Yeah, man, I'm going to hold it off, you know, bro. Now you like, what day? You get the bike, yeah. Run to taxi.
Nice.
You did all see it, you know.
Yeah, dog.
You did see it. You never know if I feel me or not feel me.
True yourself, yet.
No, God. Nigga give me to run taxi.
Oh, so I already and save and buy one for yourself.
You know that me I do 2 grand a day partner me I do.
Oh, you mean,
You know,
man?
say about 3 month time me have a brand new bike. Or less.
Yeah.
No 1 month time me have one bike myself. Just want give me money work and save and buy money. But I'm going with them, man. Time I see one of us.
Well, be a problem with me and mom's now, bro. 'Cause every time mom's coming for work, mom smell raw. I'm some raw scent when me not like, bro. And me I wonder what go on. Yeah, bro.
You sure I don't fishy shit I eat?
What, man? My woman can eat fish every day, so.
Oh, every day she probably she want steam out
Bro, me think she,
Probably she a douche, man. She want steam out. I mean, inside stink.
bro, she supposed to know say she want douche when she supposed to want douche, bro. So me not think of that, bro.
You sure? Cause them young girl they nasty.
All that, bro, but for me young girl are nasty. Like me I try to show you. Okay. If she did want douche, she would have douche. No fear her body.
You feel say that way, but anything you say, me don't want to tell you nothing about your girl, and then you can take you a different way, cause that you always do, and me don't want me if you there in no argument over one little orange girl. You understand?
My woman you call her.
Bro,
You call my woman her. What do you know about my woman?
you know most things about your woman, brother. And me don't want to get involved. Me just left you make it be.
You know say me fi
Because you are somebody with you love pre man over girl. I mean I like that style.
Yo, you know say me fi continue chat with you, so me go box you than you. Cause you come and call this me I call my woman her, brother. Better me come go on about
Put
my
your hand
business,
for
dog.
me and you see what go on.
Yo. That's who me a friend, you know, brother. You forgot
No,
to me a friend.
raise your hand. You think say me a one like a fool. It's impressing you. Alright, you go and talk, yeah? I'll go to the room and buy tax.
Never see smoke without fire.
Oh God,
Oh, yeah, I see you go on.
you good? You good?
Good man. I see you do it.
Yeah?
I see you do it.
What do you mean? We check you. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, you know the talk again.
You know what? Not true, you want me to get it down, man. Yeah, that's why, man.
No. She have a man when me tell her about. You see next side of her life. Me never tell her about it.
What kind of side I like that?
She sell front too, so I go buy a piece.
Man,
See her give me about me change.
No, you don't have to show me that. I train you one.
Give me about me change, bro.
I know you never want me to have you.
No man, nobody say that.
You never want me to have you.
Listen to me and say good. Listen more, you listen to me good. Right? Come out there, you can't pass. Listen to me and say good though. You understand? The girl they talk to one of my friends. You understand? She talk to one of my friends, and my dog. And me I tell the dog, say, yo, if it's a girl, man, it's a girl and a good girl, it's a girl and a whore. Stop talking to this a girl and Bill. Don't cut me. So me know say you know me rate me I want you fall in that trap there. You understand?
So yeah,
So me put up on your guard. So me never know see you left her.
so hold on, so
You could have still did it on the side.
So hold on.
And then
So you say him and your friend and you gonna buy sex from him woman. You don't know good
She
friend
a
then.
sell.
If
So
no,
me buy.
if me just
I don't me. Alright.
if me just
Yo,
know
what you
you were
wanna
there
say?
and you and him and their friend from when you could have do said thing with my girl. See they all say
No
to
man,
self
let's
say
say
that
that
you
man.
know.
No, you're different.
Yeah, you know, different. You would have do said thing to because see they all just tell me say you never know. So
No
you
man,
left.
you're chewing this me. So me I say, oh, this me I know me go buy a friend for your girl friend.
That make no
Yes.
sense. That make no sense, brother. You just want dirty nigga, you know. And
You
you
got
would
the nigga we buy in front?
no, if you buy a friend from
Me
your
never
friend
know
woman,
say we buy in front is a crime.
it's not to buy front, it's to buy friend from your friend woman.
Tell the woman we tax her front then.
Brother, you can't go up. Me glad to me.
Me buy one time and it's nice. So me continue buy.
You are a good
No
friend.
problem.
You are a good friend, that's all I can say. Me glad to me in a friend from
Listen,
you.
yeah, different. Me wanna do for your woman. Touch me now.
Yeah, me not really like
So
it,
this me bro.
Me not this.
Me not like your style and dog. You see the Jamaican dog. You just say man we have some friend out of overseas and out of port. When you come like some crosses.
Because me
Cause me tell her the truth and you want to come lick me in my face with the truth. And that you want to do?
me not lick you in your face, brother. Go pay the girl, make you lick you in your face.
That man they make you go turn girl clown and say, and make you just go and not tell her nothing.
Brother, if me I get
Cause
you,
you a clown you, cause me I tell her say Ray. And you want to say Ray. When I Ray, me I tell
the
her.
best thing you do is go on where you go, you know. Me see if you put money,
Well,
I go buy a piece for my friend, bro. Cause you don't know
You're
good
good dog.
friend.
Let's see for today. That's not the me here cause you want to come try say. me and a real friend. And that you want to say, me and read between the lines. You see me there saying a reason with
You're not for read between the lines. Just up me, me say loud and clear. You're not a good friend, you.
You're good, bro.
You're a good friend.
Everything, remember say this, me, you know. Yeah? Say this, me, the girl, we don't know from nowhere.
Where are you, that's all? Call Papa. Yeah. Where are you with? Bro, you don't know, say, I boy talk and say, I buy a front. So I was so you say, with that one, I want in front of the woman. Charging me, no, dog. No. Man, I tell man, say, friend, no man. And I buy a front funny. I say, y'all did fees, and me and the girl still there. Then I switch up in your mouth, come and find out the truth. Bro, I don't know that. I'm no good smart. That's all I can say. I go on my little Mary way still.
Hey, what?
Yeah, baby. I come back fast now. So, you know, feel set a full time now for really something.
You don't feel good from when I don't think I can do nothing right now.
TB, I mean you don't feel good.
You know what I feel?
What do I? So like she have a drunk, she drunk. Most drunk, she drunk.
Oh God.
I'm not having it, so leave.
I don't know, I just feel good from when.
What I'm feeling?
From when I just get up in the morning and I vomit. No one don't want to.
Vomit.
Look at that.
Just how long now?
From last week.
Alright, don't move. Me soon come. I go to the pharmacy and come back.
Alright.
Hey, let me get something there from my face. Them said you're supposed to do piss pants and test it. Something you have to piss pants. You must know.
Alright.
Go on and test it. Work on me that girl that I'm ready now. Wait, banana.
Me say, oh God. You don't know what say me one nice surprise here. Me pregnant.
God no?
Yes.
So me will be a father?
Yes, Bill.
Oh no.
You're not happy?
So me must happy. If me will be a father. So you don't feel say a full time now to marry. You want to put on the ring?
Married? Yes, Bill, right now. We can marry right now.
You sure about that?
Yes, right now. Anyways, I'm so happy I'm going to tell my friend them this year. Yeah?
Alright. Tell them. Publish it.
I can't believe.
Marry that. Give me money and bring it.
What? Sugar.
Oh, yeah, come to me. What happened?
Me pregnant. And I get married. So you see?
Listen before I say anything else. A long time I want a baby.
What are you picking?
What do you mean by enough for me picking? So who you gonna breed for?
No, my man, Timmy Rich is gonna married me.
I must joke you me. I joke you me.
You look like me a smile.
Don't make me back sit down right here, sir. Don't make you be the first woman me put me hand pan. You hear me I tell you? And me no want you go to Tibi and tell him about a film picnic there down yourself. You hear me I tell you?
But I was a picnic and a fair picnic.
No, if you do with me.
But me God.
You are married. Me still
You see what me don't go in, me don't do things with...
Usher. If you are married, that not nothing to do with me. Me still a go do that, no matter who come or who go. You hear me say? Me want you get that in your head.
Me can't bother.
You come and tell me about food. Sorry for joke, you hear?
I don't feel a pitney.
Girl, don't make... You see through you're pregnant? Me no want... Stop it crying. Me no want you stress out yourself. Stop it crying.
Can't
You want Guinea? See,
me want a Guinea.
You want a coincidence? A Guinea me just a pick it up. A Guinea me just there go pick it
Me
up.
don't want no Guinea.
Calm down. You don't want you stress. You see when you stress, the baby will...
I'm become married to be riches now.
Girl, stop telling me about married. That not nothing to do with me. I'm a baby me I talk about in your belly. You tell me about people married.
Me can't get pitney.
You know? We say I wanna get... Take time round and mind your drop. Backside, I'm have a youth on the way. Now can't Guinea come.
We're ready,
Yeah, I come and talk about more company ready with it.
Eh?
More company ready with it today. You feel like more ready with it.
Alright. Come on. Take up my syrup. Come on.
How do you bro?
Yeah,
man.
I'm going.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah?
So I go on a long time, I don't see you.
Yeah, boys. Yeah, it's just so.
You don't stay long, right, yourself?
No. We just have a long time, I don't see my friend. So
Yeah.
we just heal him up.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, don't rush me.
Yeah.
You're training now.
Yeah, man, we start, we're training now. Look up.
Power night and put power night. I remember the day me here, man.
Yeah, man, power night, man. No, bro, you can't touch it, bro. Do them things, man.
How things go with you?
They're going good, man. Just the moment I get fat up and sexy.
Realize, man.
Yeah, so, you know, like we are
I can't spend money, though.
Look, my mom, I mean, I must have
You
spent
see,
money.
I have new phone and stuff.
What do you mean? So, she no must have new phone and thing, bro. What you expect? You can't move, man. And she
Me
have a
I
proper
don't get
phone.
job still. I get job, but me want to tell you a story.
That's good.
When me here one day. Now I move me watching the way man I take care of. I don't know pretty and day now. Man I take care of him and you want to go out and I take the money build one room with somebody else. So me I say, I work in a Jamaican movie this. Me I watch it, the woman, I take him man money. I just spend with that.
Oh, a bad movie that, man.
Yeah, me I watch a movie and me I say, Jaja, none of my breeding in everything. All going.
We ready. You not ready?
No,
You ready to go? Yo.
Wait, remember see me have to
No,
some.
wait, man.
Come on, man.
No, wait, man.
How you do it, dog?
Come on, now.
Me, wait,
What do you mean
man.
by
Me not want there, so no. Come
Yo,
on, now.
turn up and wait. I mean, man, yo. Hey, turn up and wait.
Come on, go down. How you do it? Tell me the truth.
I know him.
I'm a dog.
Oh.
How you do it, dog? How you fit there sir, as a man and breed your friend girl and there sir reason with him like everything good.
Breed.
You know no heart in your chest.
What you talk about?
What you mean me talk about? Your woman not breed.
Yeah, but
Man breeding.
oh, no, no, that.
Me get
Oh, me know
involved in that.
At this time man you breed a girl.
Me?
Father, I don't know your friend now and I can't tell us that this man you ride a girl a long time.
I'm on YouTube this.
This a girl I used to my girl and this man you ride it.
this.
This man corrupt against me girl, corrupt me against the girl. So you
You don't believe this man?
You don't believe
But I
it?
really breed.
So how me know see how man a breed?
I can't breed. Oh, me that take up myself.
I become to tell one of my friend them. So I mean my friend tell him.
So him probably a prank with.
Yeah.
That boy
I
a
know.
prankster.
Don't
come and
You will lose a life to that, bro. Can't walk on a prank.
Oh, no believe
Me ready now. Me ready.
No, wait.
Me ready.
No. Festival long time, I don't see my friend.
Me ready.
Listen, I don't
No matter
only
me have a
festive.
package we go collect.
You
Come
know
on.
what say? This a man a come and say, I tell me about me with this a girl. You ever see me with this a girl yet? You ever see
No
me
wink
with
me.
this a
No wink
No,
me.
me.
No wink me.
Scratch me.
It's she.
You ever see me with this
Are
a
you a
girl?
woman tonight? Yeah, man, I'm a baby mother.
Eh?
Oh, your baby
Me
mother?
say, if you ever see me with her yet.
Yes, me see you, now wink me. Don't wink me, because you wink me 3 times, so I yes that. Don't wink me. And the next time, don't wink me if you don't want. You see,
Yeah,
she
jump.
have a look at dirty life. You never notice she sell front.
Ah, me tell her.
I want it strong star this.
Yeah.
What that?
See, you know, see camera.
You see over the
What
yard there.
camera ready?
I hope that so can talk. Watch out. Find a nice video. Hey, am I phone on your phone? Look.
You know, I know you
Father, you
don't
see
look
them?
so blind.
Daddy.
Dirty girl, go over here. Go over here. Go over here.
Let's go on.
I 2 times I buy it from here.
Let's go on.
Go over here. Subscribe to your channel.
Style in my use. Style in my use. So them
Subscribe.
channel, we subscribe. Let's go on.
Oh,
Yeah, come on. Come on now.
now young man. For a good backhand. Condom all bust over
Me
there.
sorry. Me sorry.
But this a thing bigger than mine. Yes, me bump
Maybe you should have eat something. Eat some things.
Can know say?
Sorry.
Can know say she sell front? So all along you tell me say you work a call center front to yourself? Yes! On the bridge.
Yeah, look for me.
The buy
Are
some.
you crazy? Are you crazy? I'm telling someone anything to beat me up.
Yo, you
We're
ready?
gonna tell.
You ready? Stay here so
So
1,
me
2,
never know
3.
say me buying front right you ending. Me just a buy. You give me when me a buy. You know.
So you are telling me say me have friend and you buy from woman?
Father, I said thing you tell me.
You-
Corrupt my mind against the girl, because I'm the first before you and
Let me explain. Him there with her first, right?
Yeah.
And me see you there. Me I say, I don't know how you three already there.
Okay. So not only she have a dirty lifestyle, you have a dirty mentality.
Yes. Because when I tell me I go settle down and married.
Look on you now. I'm
never-
a greedy woman at that. You ready? Me I come go down. I put out the things. 1, 2, 3. Bad man, when you count, stop right here. So. I use 4 condo when me a buy you. Alright, 1, 2. I can't sell you so. 2. Me soon come.
Me a come.
I mean, I have no.
Me a come.
Stay here right there so. What you do with you? Over there so.
Go over there. Me
Hey,
not have
you know what I
no
want
way
you?
to live. You know that.
I did tell you.
Me not like your style.
I did
You
tell you.
one little time you see with that come out that bush, you bend down the same people. Me know say people
only
are people. You know.
say when they're picking the barn and a girl picking you know. Because it's the same way you cheap people, girl picking it, buying from them and neglect them. Mash up their relationship. I only hope that not happen to fear girl picking it.
Man.
The one where she have in her belly.
See, I don't mind, baby.
When me up this on the condom bus, no more
She
see.
say she eat it a different baby this now. She say I don't mind if it's baby.
Sorry for you know. I only afraid of you know. I would never friend you know.
Well, if you buy front, who tell her if you can sell front?
That's why I take up all the man because young girl don't know how to control themselves. Young girl with right on your yai top. Old woman is better for me right now. I don't care what nobody want to say. If they want to say the woman 3 times older than me, I don't give a damn. The old woman them know how to cook. I know how to cheat out. I don't know how to cheat pound.
No, man.
Go on, see you get in there. You can go on now. You know, if you buy again, just take it free. And I see anything where you do, where what happen to him, I go happen to you. You go take up a woman and then go have a 50 man one time.
That's why I not have no woman. Me buy front. Me go out and me buy.
I feel
And
it like that.
Me
You
buy
feel
front.
it, yes. God put you on the earth to multiply. So if you go continue buy front, right?
No, me multiply money alone. Me not multiply human. Me not be baby. Me not be no baby.
Father and get around the corner, no worry.
No, me go on the truck already. And me drive it. You see me come through as a blow. You come on the back. because you don't have no youth yet.
7 youth me get.
7
youth.
youth in your mind.
2 just get 6
Or
6
7
one.
jacket. 7 jacket.
I'm glad for the jacket. It better
7
than go.
jacket.
It better than go.
Because the first one here you get a coolie. And you don't have a coolie in your ear.
Nothing wrong. The jacket them fit.